Hydrogen-powered classic car. You take the drivetrain components from a hydrogen-powered car. You then take out the fossil fuel components from a classic car. You add the hydrogen drivetrain into the classic car while also adding modern custom features. All this together equals my concept. A quick run-through of the process within my business concept. First, the customer comes to my garage. Then, the customer will discuss his wishes for the car with me. I visualize the concept, and then, after approval from the customer, I modify the car at my garage. And voila, the finished product is delivered back to the customer.